In this clip, let's talk about temperature for a moment. Temperature is probably the most important part of weather and probably the most practical thing to be talking about as well. And it's the most popular too. We're always talking about the temperature on 5-day forecasts, on 7-day forecasts. What is it like today? What is it going to be like tomorrow? What is it going to be? How hot or cold is it going to be in the future? So when we're talking about temperature and we're thinking about temperature, it's a good idea to, if you are going to be checking the temperature, it's a very good idea to be checking it at the same time every day, especially if you're going to do comparisons. Something very important too with temperature, we're always comparing it to our seasonal values. So whatever the temperature is today, is it above or below the seasonal value? A lot of the websites that you visit will show you what the seasonal value is. When talking about temperature as well, it depends if you're talking about temperature in the winter or the summer or the spring or the fall. If you're talking about it in the summer, for instance, it might be 30 degrees Celsius, but what is the temperature once you factor in the humidex? It's going to feel warmer. A lot of the conversions, we were talking about conversions earlier in an earlier segment, and even websites, you can put in perhaps, let's talk about winter for instance. If it is might be that day and there is a wind chill and you know that the winds are 20 kilometers per hour, you can factor in the wind chill with the current temperature and you can tell what it will actually feel like, because it will feel colder to be thinking about when talking and predicting the weather with regards to temperature.